Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Renilda
And
Mustafa.
Mustafa.
Good afternoon, Miss Renilda Mustafa. Okay, now I will make video conversation with MS students. Hello, Miss. How are you today?
Just so flat.
Uh, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. First, my name is Safal Mawadda. Feel free to call me Sofa, and I am MS student. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Muhammad Bagas Setia Prayoga. You can call me Bagas, and I'm from Breakfast.
Yeah, brief class. So, what is our topic today, brother?
Today topic is
Our topic today
is my English purpose.
English purpose. Your English purpose. So,
Yeah.
can you tell me what is your English purpose?
Okay, I will tell maybe my English purpose for my job
Mm-hmm.
because English now is very important for find job, right?
Mm-hmm.
And before I come here, I after school graduation, I had worked with
Oh.
my father,
Oh.
and I think it is hard work. But because I don't like hard work, and in my room I think I must change my fat, and then I discussed with my parents, with my mother and my father. I said I want to study in Pare, study English in Pare, and my father and mother always support me about my decision.
Your decision.
Yeah, and then now
You
I
here.
yeah I'm studying at BSA.
So your English purpose or your goals of learning English is to find some a good job for
Good
you.
job, yeah.
Uh-huh. So can you tell me what is your dream job?
After I will continue until MS maybe.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. So, so you want to be a teacher or tutor?
Yeah, I will be teacher, English teacher maybe at
Seriously?
BSA
Oh,
or
Mr. Fu.
or make course in Jepara maybe.
Oh, you can take something. I mean, like system or lesson from here, and you can take it to your hometown, and you can adapt it there. Yeah, from MS, right?
Yeah,
You want to improve your
improve
skill.
skill
Eh,
English.
you want you tell me about your dream job. So before you come at BEC,
English purpose.
yeah, for English purpose I knew. But before you study English here, have you a skill? Have you has a skill in English?
Before
Do you have
I didn't
know about English?
know English at
At-
all.
Oh.
And now I can speak English little.
Hey,
little
that's
maybe.
good.
And maybe after MS I will continue study at university maybe take
English major.
yeah.
Hmm. Wow, it means that you already love with English,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. What about you? What is your purpose English after from BEC?
Okay. My purpose in English. When I decided to study English, I don't know. I just want to know more about English so I can watch a movie without a subtitle. So it's just a simple or just a little purpose. But now when I start to learn English, I think I became in love. I became in love in English too. Yeah. So I don't know. I want to share my knowledge about English. So that's why I joined MS. I can share about my English for you, for your friends.
Yeah.
So I don't know, but maybe that's So,
because time is over, just this for me. Thank you, Miss, for
Yeah.
your time, and thank you, Miss Randila, for your nice attention.
wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.